Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Salam Abuchi. I want to share with you how you'll be able to move yourself from being a C student to being an A student. For you to be able to move yourself from being a C student to being an A student, you just have to know your unique learning style. Basically, there are 4 unique learning styles. We have those who are visual learners, those who are auditory learners, those who are kinesthetic learners, and those who are read and write learners. Each of us, as long as we remain humans, students, or learners, we belong to one of these categories. Albert Einstein once said that everyone is a genius, but if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, that fish will live its whole life thinking that it is stupid. Fishes don't climb trees, they swim. And the best habitat for a fish is in water. So when you decide to put a fish out of water on a tree, that fish is not going to do well, and you may not see the full potential of that particular fish. The same thing is happening to most of us. We are in school, we are studying, we are putting in so much, but yet the result does not correspond to our effort. Why is that happening? It's because we are not adopting or applying our unique learning style. For those of us who are visual learners, we learn best by our sense of sight, or things that we are able to see through visuals. So for those who are visual learners, they tend to enjoy charts, diagrams, pictures, and text. They want to see the thing before they'll be able to remember it. So when you are just talking to someone who is a visual learner, or you are as a teacher, you are teaching, and the person is a visual learner, and you are only talking in the classroom, that person may not be able to get the information. For those who are auditory learners, they enjoy to hear things, or they remember more when they hear the things verbally. So such students tend to enjoy lectures and group discussions, because whatever their friends say during group discussions, they can even replicate them when it is time for exams. For those who are kinesthetic learners, they tend to enjoy lessons that are practical based or hands-on projects. They want to be actively involved in the learning process. That way they are able to retain much information. For those who are read and write learners, they are those who love to be writing while they are reading. So most often you see a jotter or a piece of paper beside them. Another thing you should take notice of as a student is that some of you learn best in quiet environments, and some of you learn best in a noisy environment. If you are the type that loves to study with music at the background or in a noisy environment, you don't have to follow your colleagues to the library, because that place may not work for you. For some of you too, you love to study at night. Some people also love to study at dawn. Some people also study very well in the afternoon. So you just have to know the environment and the learning style that best fits you. If you can put your kind of environment that you study and then your unique learning style into practice, I can assure you that you are going to move from being a C student to being an A student. My name is Salam Abuchi.